Got the Patriot down there. He's getting it on. Getting the outside of that deck system down there done. So the Southeast Indiana Kong Armor Tour starts right now. We're in Lawrenceburg. There's not, Jeremy. We're in Lawrenceburg, Indiana. I want to show you guys this double deck system that Kong is taking on. This is going to be paint lockdown encapsulation. Yes, this deck system will go back. This deck system will go back the cedar color that it is. The only difference is it's going to be the toughest, thickest, most advanced, full-bodied, gorgeous deck armor system on the planet. Kong, right? Kong Armor Southeast Indiana Tour. We're here. We're starting to produce deck systems. We're turning deck systems. Look at this. Anytime you're around us, you're likely to see this type of stuff. This is a peeling bare deck over situation here in Lawrenceburg. Woo! Got the Patriot down there. He's getting it on. Getting the outside of that deck system down there done. A bit about this system. I'm going to name this system Super Simple. Super simple project name for this. I've put two of my men here, so I'm going to call it the tag team deck. I know it's kind of silly, right? But that's what we're going to call this. We're going to call this the Lawrenceburg, Indiana tag team deck. And basically what it is a deck restoration painting project with a peeling bare deck over lockdown encapsulation is what's happening here. So we're gonna, as we are right now, we're coming in, we're cleaning the system, right? We'll do a really thorough cleaning. There's two decks here. I'll have one guy on this deck, one guy on this deck. We're cleaning the deck systems now. After that's done, we'll go through, set down loose nails, set down loose screws, replace any bad boards that need to be replaced, any lumber that's bad. We'll come through and replace that. Then, maintenance, braces, silverback epoxy and large cracks. Once we get the deck systems fully prepped, and as much of that peeling bare deck over off of there that's loose, that will come up, then we'll come in with the Kong and perform lockdown encapsulation with thick build, high stretch, super tough, toughest stuff on the planet. All over these, drench them. I'm talking just, but it'll be gorgeous. The way I make it sounds really sloppy. It'll be gorgeous, insanely gorgeous. You guys wait and see.